Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the payments log feature in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the chats icon down below and tap on your initials in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on settings, which is the second feature or option. Scroll down and click on privacy. Scroll down to the payments section, and here you have the payments log feature that you can enable by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen. As you can see, it means that the app will require your Touch ID to transfer funds. If you would like to disable this feature, all you have to do is clicking on this button again so that it will be turned off. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.